Welcome back to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing a PS3 that turns off by itself. Place your PS3 on a flat table to begin the troubleshooting process. Make sure your PS3 is completely powered off and unplugged before handling it. Disconnect the power cable from your PS3 and set it aside. Now unplug the HDMI cable from the back of your PS3. If your PS3 uses AV cables instead, unplug those as well. Check the power port on your PS3 for dust or loose connections. Inspect the HDMI or AV port on your PS3 for dirt buildup. Use a dry soft brush to gently clean the power port on your PS3. Clean the HDMI or AV port on your PS3 using gentle strokes. Now reconnect the power cable firmly back into your PS3. Reconnect your HDMI cable securely to your PS3. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into your TV for PS3 display. Plug your PS3 back into your wall outlet or power strip. Turn on your PS3 and watch if the PS3 powers off again. If the PS3 still turns off, unplug it again and let's go deeper. Flip your PS3 around and locate the vents on the sides and back of the PS3. Check if the vents on your PS3 are clogged with dust. Use a can of compressed air to blow dust out of your PS3 vents. Blow air in short bursts to avoid moisture buildup inside your PS3. Clean the top vents, side vents, and rear vents of your PS3 thoroughly. Make sure the fan area of your PS3 gets direct air cleaning. Wipe down the exterior of your PS3 with a microfiber cloth. Now set your PS3 in a well-ventilated open space. Avoid placing your PS3 inside a cabinet or tight shelf. Turn your PS3 back on and observe if the PS3 stays running longer. If your PS3 is still shutting off, it may be overheating internally. Turn your PS3 off again and unplug it completely. Hold down the power button on your PS3 for 10 seconds to drain power. Wait 1 full minute before reconnecting your PS3. Plug the PS3 power cable back in securely. Connect the HDMI cable again to your PS3 and TV. Turn your PS3 back on and watch if it still shuts off. If the PS3 turns off instantly, we'll try a fan test mode. Unplug the power cable from your PS3 once more. Place your finger on the eject button of your PS3. While holding the eject button, plug the power cable back into your PS3. The fan on your PS3 should spin at full speed to clear dust. Let your PS3 run in this fan mode for about 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, unplug your PS3 again to exit fan mode. Reconnect the power cable normally to your PS3. Turn your PS3 back on through the power button. Observe if your PS3 stays on longer now. If your PS3 is still turning off, we need to check the hard drive. Power off your PS3 again and unplug all cables. Locate the hard drive access panel on your PS3 side. Open the panel gently and loosen the blue screw holding the PS3 hard drive. Slide the PS3 hard drive cage out carefully. Reseat the PS3 hard drive by sliding it back in firmly. Tighten the blue screw back into place on your PS3. Close the access panel of your PS3 securely. Reconnect the power cable and HDMI cable to your PS3. Turn your PS3 back on and let it run for a few minutes. If your PS3 stays running, the loose drive was the problem. If your PS3 still shuts off, the internal thermal paste may be failing. Replacing thermal paste on a PS3 requires careful disassembly. If you're not confident opening your PS3, consider a repair technician. But now your PS3 has airflow restored and cable errors corrected. Most PS3 systems stop shutting off after these steps. Thanks for watching Tech Vibes. Like and subscribe for more PS3 fixes.